Our earth is consists of water and many other organisms, and also it supports to life. But the question is, do we have any other planet in our solar system which supports to life? Now in this video I will explain about that. Yes friends, we have two planets in our solar system which are in habitable zones. They are Earth and Mars. Now we are going to discuss about Mars. In Mars, the high temperature is average 20 degrees Celsius and the low temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. It is filled with carbon dioxide and low atmospheric pressure. In Mars, many poisonous gases are present. But the question is, how did the planet become as a red planet? In future, the planet will support to life. Now we will discuss about it. Planet Mars. It is the fourth planet in our solar system. This planet will be half of the Earth. Gravity on the Mars is 38% of the Earth's gravity. 100 kgs of object in Earth would be 38 kgs in Mars. Mars have two moons. They are Phobos and Deimos. In 2013 November, NASA has sent a spacecraft called MARVIN to Mars. MARVIN means Mars Atmospheric Volatile Evolution. This spacecraft went near to the Mars and orbited in elliptical shape. Also, the spacecraft found a dry river bed. It means water is present in those days. Nearly 500 years back, when Mars planet is born, it is fully with oceans, rains, mountains and land. It supports to life. But the Mars planet have very low gravity mass. The Mars planet would not able to generate powerful magnetic fields. Now we will discuss what happened to the Mars. One time solar wind has started very strongly. In the solar wind particles there are many protons. Then the solar wind particles travel 460 kilometers per second. Because of the solar wind particles, the atmosphere in Mars has started dividing. Like this, the water has been dried up. In our Earth core, mass is more, so Earth can release powerful magnetic field and protect from solar winds. The Mars has 1% of atmosphere when compared to Earth. Then coming to gases, carbon dioxide is 95.32%, nitrogen is 2.7%, and oxygen is 0.13%. Scientists are telling that there are chances in future to live in Mars. No organism can live in that planet, but how we can live in future, that we will learn in next video. Bye friends.